Hi everybody, my name is Dave Marsh. I'd like to welcome you to this Matrix settings tutorial. And today we're going to take a look at how to configure your portal notification settings in Matrix. Now before I begin, I'd first like to mention that because each MLS has slightly different requirements, the system that we'll be using during this tutorial may differ slightly from the one that you're currently working with. Nevertheless, the functionality is the same, and for the most part, whatever you see during this tutorial, you'll easily recognize in your own system. All right, so today we're going to take a look at how to configure your portal notification settings so you can be notified each time any of your contacts performs a specific activity in their OneHome portal. To do this, simply navigate to the settings section, then click notifications. And from here, one of the first things you'll notice is the option of being notified either by email or by text whenever any of your clients perform any of the following activities in their portal. For this example, we're going to assume that I'd like to be notified as soon as possible by email whenever any of my new clients visit their portal for the very first time. In addition to this, I'd also like to be notified whenever any of my clients adds a listing to their favorites. And again, I'm also going to choose to be notified as soon as possible by email. Now, for activities that might initiate too many emails throughout the day, users also have the option of receiving just a single daily summary. So while I'm at it, I'm going to select to be notified whenever a contact visits their portal, but this time just once with a daily summary email. All right, and finally, I'd also like to be notified whenever a customer sends me a note. Just in case it's important and I'm not checking my email, I'd actually prefer to be notified right away by text message. To do this, I'll first need to add my mobile phone number to Matrix and then choose my cellular provider. All right, so at this point, you'll just need to confirm that your phone details are correct. And we'll do this by first requesting a verification text, and then back in Matrix, enter the verification code sent to your phone. All right, well, this concludes this Matrix settings tutorial. I'd like to thank you for watching and hope that you can join me for another session. Take care.